A federal judge overturned a Texas law requiring age verification and health warnings for viewing pornographic websites, preventing the state's attorney general from pushing. A federal judge overturned a Texas law that required age verification and health warnings for viewing pornographic websites, preventing the state attorney's office from pushing it. In a decision Thursday, U.S. District Judge David Ezra, Texas Gov. He argued that House 1181, signed into law by Greg Abbott, violated free speech rights and was excessive and vague. Defending law. The state's attorney general immediately filed an appeal with Fifth Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals in New Orleans. The lawsuit was filed on August 4 by the Free Speech Coalition, a trade association for alt entertainment industry, and an individual who identifies as Jane Doe and is described as an adult entertainer on several adult sites, including Pornhub. Judge Ezra also said that law, which will go into effect on Friday, raises privacy concerns because a permissive age verification uses a government-issued ID that can be traced, and the government has access to data and is not required to delete it. People will be particularly concerned about accessing controversial speech when the state government can record and monitor that access, Ezra wrote. The law will allow the government to look at the most intimate and personal aspects of people's lives by verifying information through government identity. Ezra noted that Texas has a legitimate goal of protecting children from online sexual material, but other measures exist, including blocking and filtering software. These methods are more effective and less restrictive in protecting minors from adult content. Ezra wrote. The judge also found that he had unconstitutionally enforced the law by requiring adult sites to enforce health warnings. They disagreed with that pornography creates addiction, impairs mental development and increases demand for of prostitution, child exploitation and child sexual abuse. Explanations are when scientific findings actually range from what is, in fact, largely debated to unsupported by evidence, Ezra noted. Texas law is one of similar age verification laws passed in other states, including Arkansas, Mississippi, Utah, and Louisiana. Texas law fined up to $10,000 per violation, which was increased by a minor to $250,000 per violation. Utah's law was upheld by a federal judge last month, who dismissed a lawsuit challenging it. Arkansas law that would require parental consent for children to create new social media accounts was hit by a federal judge Thursday, and a lawsuit challenging Louisiana law is pending.